You work hard for those shoulders, but now you can't even lift your arms overhead. We often associate strong shoulders with peak fitness, don't we? But what if I told you that more muscle might be very thing that limiting your range of motion, or even worse, causing that pain? When men focus heavily on building their deltoids, especially the front and side, they often neglect the smaller stabilizers. That imbalance can pull the shoulder joint forward, compress it, and create painful friction every time you move your arms overhead. I had a client with lean frame, seriously built shoulders. He looked strong, he looked amazing. But the moment he tried to raise his arms overhead, nothing happened. He couldn't lift past 90 degrees without pain. Why? Because the deeper muscles like the rotator cuff and lower traps weren't doing their job. His deltoids were overdeveloped, scapulae weren't gliding, and his posture was locked forward. Here are the top reasons for shoulder pain in men: overtrained deltoids, weak stabilizers, poor scapular movement, and forward head posture. So here are a few tips for you to train smarter and to move better. First, check your posture. If your shoulder round forward or your neck juts out, you're setting yourself up for impingement. Second, balance your training. For every push day, work your back, especially lower traps, rhomboids, and rotator cuff muscles. Third, improve mobility. Try the simple shoulder openers. First, wall angles. Keep your back flat, arms overhead, and make sure to move slowly. Doorway stretch. Open up those tight chest muscles. Foam rolling, especially your pecs and lats. If you've been powering through shoulder pain, it's time to train smarter, not just harder. Strength without mobility is a recipe for injury. Give your joints that support they need, and your body will thank you. Have you ever pushed through shoulder pain? What helped you recover? Put it in the comments.